Hello, the second part of my video is a while ago I was giving you the video about the stuff that I received as gift for my vlog. At ngayon naman ay ito yung mga gamit ko sa Halloween party, tapos na ang Halloween, tapos na November, October. So I'm asking my husband i-keep for the next year. Can you give me the wings, Ray? The wings that I made for that Halloween party. Harry.
Here are the wings that you made for the Halloween party, and you won the prize with them.
Yeah, I know. I won the prize of the first prize of this wings, but I have to keep this wing. Look, I'm keeping it for the next year. And all those, there's also a small wings and all that one Ray, the one. These are the things that I should keep. See, this is the wings that I won. At
There's the
ito
other
din, maliit na wings, ipapakip ko ito sa husband ko para next year na naman. At you keep that, Ray. You're gonna keep this in the attic, okay? So he's ready to sleep. He is paging already, but then I have to wake him up para i-ano niya. Just put it there somewhere, okay? So tomorrow you will look at it. Yeah. And then so I have all these things. Every party I have all this. This one, I have to keep this for the next year. You know, this, we had a senior hula. Look, hula. And I have to keep this also. Ginising ko yung asawa ko para tulungan niya ako. Kasi maaga yang matutulog. Ako lang isa mag-ano-ano dito. Magang matutulugan, pero ginising ko. Dahil marami akong ipaano sa kanya. So, yan ang video ko ngayon. Tapos na. Ang mga ano yung hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. So, kailangan magtanong ako kasi mga ano kami, mga old school. Walang alam-alam. But then, I tried my best. Being a vlogger. Hindi ako magkakapira nito. Hindi naman tayo makakwarta ani kay wala man tayo kahibalaan ani mga gadget. Okay? And that's my video. Part 2 ng video ko. Thank you for watching. This is Dumabag. Inisita.